In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this animated title box. This title box has two different animations, one for the box and one for the title. You can still do this with transitions, however, it requires separate layers. Let's get started. Open a new project. Stick around to the end of the video so I can show you how to modify your title once it's been created without changing the animations. We'll do things such as change the appearance as well as remove the background image. I'm going to drop this photo into the main timeline on the main video track. I'll use it as the background. I'm going to extend it out to no longer than 10 seconds. Right about there. I'll make a cut and then delete the unwanted footage. I'll move the playhead to about there, and then I'm going to add the transparent box. That's a preset title I've already created. I'll tap on the flower in the corner, tap on titles, and select the transparent box. All of your preset titles that you save will be saved in the user titles section here. As you can see, I've got quite a few. I'll long press on my transparent box and drop it on the timeline right here. Tap on the plus sign and tap on transition. Then tap the presets icon after you've selected the transition you just added. To choose a transition, just tap on it. Although it might look like nothing happens if you tap anywhere on the screen to dismiss the presets box, you'll notice the transition appearance has changed. Move to the end of this clip, tap on the plus sign once more, and tap on transition. But make sure that you've selected the layer you want to add the transition to. Just tap once more on the layer. When you add multiple transitions, you need to do this. Once you've got a default transition of the same length added, tap it to select it, and tap the presets icon once more. Then choose the transition shrink. Now let's take a look at that. The box grows at the beginning and shrinks at the end. You can make the duration of the box on screen a little bit longer by dragging at either end of the clip. Just make sure that you have enough room on the image underneath. Next, I'll grab another preset title and add that to the third video track. This is the LumaFusion tutorial title I created in my video on how to design video titles. Open the clip editor, make sure frame and fit is selected, and shrink the whole thing down using the size slider so that it fits inside the box like this. Tap on the arrow to go back to the main timeline. This title is going to have a different animation than the box underneath it. Tap on the plus sign at the beginning of the clip one more time to add a default transition. Do this on either end of the clip and make sure that the layer is selected. Notice each time you add a transition, it will automatically adjust the length of the clip for you. This is one advantage to animating with transitions.
Consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this, usually pre-recorded but sometimes live. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date when new videos are posted.
We've got the default transitions here. Select each of the new transitions and tap on the preset icon. For this one, I am going to choose the wipe right transition. Just tap on the transition to choose it. And you'll see that the appearance of that transition has changed. Let's take a look at it. Now select the other transition and select the presets icon once more. This time, choose Wipe Right and tap on it. It may look like nothing happened, but if you dismiss the presets box and look at the transition, the appearance of the transition has changed. Titles should only be 3 to 5 seconds long, so I'm going to shorten this one up a bit by removing some of the extra footage. Now I'll play the clip one more time to take a look at it. That looks great, but I may shorten up the top title layer so that the title box shrinks off screen when it's empty. But for now I'm going to export it. Tap on the share icon, tap on movie, choose your destination, set the resolution that you want. I'll tap the share icon once more and begin the export. Now I'll open up a new project. I'm going to bring down my animated title and take one more look at it. Now that it's rendered, there's one more trick I can do to make it about half the length it is now. If I double tap the clip to open the clip editor, select speed, and I increase the speed to 2.00x, this will make it half as long as it was. That looks great. This is my original project where I've made some changes. Let me show you those now. First, as I play the clip, you'll notice the title box comes in first, and then the text and logo layer. And the text and logo layer disappears first, and the title box shrinks down empty. To do this, just change the length of your top title so that it's shorter than your title box. Don't move the transitions. To remove the background image, just delete it and leave the main video track empty inside the project. Next, double tap on the title box, select edge color, and I'll increase the edge width to 100% so it looks like that. I can do the same for the text and logo layer. Just double tap it to open the clip editor, and with title selected, I can change the font. I'll select my first text element, the word LumaFusion. I'll tap here to change the font and choose a font that I like. I'll choose my next text element and do the same. Notice that if you tap an arrow next to your font choice, you'll get some style choices. I'm going to choose wide to match the last text element. Don't change the position on this screen. That's the title design you see at the beginning of the video.